Gentlemen, I would like to show you current state of development our car. What you can hear is the noise of fan and air conditioning compressor, and it's now running. You can see on the dashboard it's switched on. There are fake temperature of evaporator. I have to fake the pressure in the system because it's not pressured yet. It's just the air inside. So this wire is connected to the ground instead of sensor, and you can see that the pipes are done and the air is now circulating in the system. Just the air, because I will need to remove this box very soon, so I did not fill it with the freon. So there is new pipe which goes from that box to the reservoir of liquid coolant, and new pipe or hose going to this box, and the big one is return line to the compressor. And you can see from the bottom of this box there is the evaporator. Yeah, this aluminum box, and also they are connected the cold and hot water pipes, and there you can see somewhere heat exchanger. I need some cutting of the foam which isolates the two sides of the box to don't allow air going around the pipes. These pipes, yes. And there's a valve with some wires not yet connected, so that's why I need to box. This box will be removed and I will do the electric stuff. But I can say that the air condition coolant circuit is completed now. I will switch it off, and you can see these low pressure lines are already done with service port. And that's all for today. And next weekend I'm not going to do the live streams, so you have to wait to next weekend. Then I will continue on the car, and I hope in 1 week I will finish the wiring, I hope. And as soon I have this box completed, I can fill the coolant into air condition and try if it really works. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested about this stuff, you can always subscribe this channel or subscribe our second channel, which is dedicated to the live streams, and you will be notified if something new happens. So see you next time.